In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to filter all of your pivot tables right here in Google Sheets using a slicer. So when working on a spreadsheet and you have a couple of pivot tables found in just one tab or one sheet, and you want to filter these pivot tables all at the same time, here's how you can do it. So from that raw data, I've created two pivot tables. We have the first one where we sum the sales of each product by month and the sum of sales of each region by month as well. And if I just wanted to see the sales or the sum of the sales for the months of April, May, and June, I'll be able to do that by applying a slicer and filtering out both pivot tables at the same time. Now, usually if you want to filter a pivot table, you can do that by going to your edit, then open your pivot table editor and go to the filters at the bottom. But doing that would be to do it manually for each of your pivot tables. Now, if you want to filter all of your pivot tables at the same time, you can do that with a slicer. So if I add a slicer right now, let's go to data right here in the menu bar, select add a slicer right here. Here we have it. Now, when selecting the range that you want to filter, what we're selecting here is the raw data or the original data and not the pivot tables themselves, because the sources for these two pivot tables are what we have in sheet number 1. So if we select that range and click on OK, here we have it. What I'm just going to do is to select a column that we're going to filter, and that's going to be our month column right there. So click on month, and after selecting your column, make sure to click on this part right here where this filter will be applied to all pivot tables. So if we go to our slicer right here, click on all. So right now everything is still selected. If we clear that and just select the months that we want to see, so again, that's April, May, and June. Click on OK, and you'll see that it automatically applies to all of the pivot tables that we have in this tab right here. If we remove the apply to pivot tables, you'll see that the filter doesn't apply to our pivot tables right here. Click on that, and there it is again. So whenever trying to filter with a slicer, make sure to click on that checkbox that says apply to pivot tables, and there you have it. So with that slicer, we were able to filter both our pivot tables right here. Now, if you want to apply another filter, we can add another slicer. Go ahead and click on data, select add a slicer, select the same sheet. There we go. Click on OK. This time we're going to choose the product. And for this one, if we want to filter the product and just see all the sales from this product right here, our Alpha phone, click on OK. You will see that our pivot table is now filtered to only show the sum of sales for the product Alpha phone on both pivot tables. And there you have it. So we've successfully filtered all of our pivot tables that are located in one tab with a slicer. And there you have it. So if you still need some extra help with sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out later. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.